show you. Move back. Alright. So I already done a video of this. You want to get this piece out by yourself. First, you want to make sure it's banded. When you lift this, just lift it up carefully. Got a little weight on it. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do so I can not damage the piece. Lift this up. I want to use the bungee cord. Bungee cord, we call that the second person. The other thing we should do is hook the shells out. Sometimes grass is practice too. That's what I was going to do. Grass is some long hook. Put the hook on. Put it on here. Empty. Put the hook on. Hook is all the way around. This is going to be my extra person. Boom. Tilt this bad boy back. Empty some shells. Gotta make sure you take the shells out. That's how you break the piece. When you come down this way with it. Bring it down low, hold it. Yep. Move back. We ain't recording the right way. I want to go where? Go down, go over that way. All I'm going to do is give it a little touch. That's it. Go all the way down. Up, go backwards, you gotta give it some power. 1, 2, one more. Once I get in here, I'm gonna turn it around.